I made this quick video for creditsecurely.com. I'm Christina and I'm based out of Cleveland, Ohio. I wanted to let everyone know about my experience with LexingtonLaw.com and how they helped me. I first learned about LexingtonLaw.com through a referral from a friend. Once I Googled them, I found out that they had a long reputation in the industry. That was comforting to start. Right off the bat, I was able to pull my credit reports with them, and I was paying them around $80 per month. I only had about 19 negative items on my credit report, so I figured they should go through those 19 fairly quickly. All in all, they managed to remove only about 11 of the 19 for me. The drawback is they took about 7 months to remove those items. I can't say they were the fastest that I read about. In regards to their effectiveness, though, they were great. They managed to update or remove most of my negative items. I'm very grateful to have found them. Not having those negative items on my credit reports has definitely helped my chances of getting a better loan and more favorable interest rates. I would suggest to watch out for those companies that are trying to get $1,500 to $2,500 up front from their customers. I wouldn't pay anything over $150 to start with any company. Also, find a company that has a reputation, that's been in the industry for a long time. Don't get fooled by a fly-by-night company. I would definitely recommend LexingtonLaw.com. They definitely seem to understand what I was going through. Take care, everyone.